Chroma? Oh, are you feeling okay?
Oh, my lovely cafe!
Don't worry, Chroma. I know what will make you feel better. Here, Chroma. Magic pet tea. It'll make you feel better in no time.
Mila, what have you given him?
Oh no, that's regular sweet tea, not magic pet tea.
Sugar rush!
Morphle, he's racing off. Morphle, we need to get Chroma's magic pet tea as quickly as possible to the Magic Pet Center.
What? Not in my city.
I'll be right back. Here, I got Chroma's magic pet tea.
But why Chroma?
I know! Morphle, morph it to a satellite so we can scan the whole city.
Morph! Morph!
Woohoo!
Beep, beep, beep! Chroma and Morph!
Let's get him! Ah! Look at us! Chroma, we've got your magic pet tea! We're gonna need a lot of arms to hold him still. Quick! Catch him, Morphle! We did it, Morphle! Chroma's cured! Wow!
My car is beautiful again.
That looks better.
Not again! Every day is a colorful day with a magic pet.